Good morning! Si Tami nasa bahay ngayon. Wala siyang trabaho. So, ito lang naman yung ganap namin dito guys. Naglalaba lang ako dito habang nakipag-usap sa aming pusa. But anyway, so later on guys, magpunta tayo sa labas. Mag-roaming tayo, no? Lakad-lakad. Pero meron akong nakita. Keep on watching sa video, no? Kasi meron akong nakita doon na skin snake. Snake of the skin. Charot English. But anyway, so yun, naglalaba muna ako dito kasi ang dami kong labahan. And of course, meron akong audience dito, no? Si Hub, si Boy. Gusto niyang pumatong sa abaga ko pero parang nahirapan siyang magpatong kasi paggalaw-galaw po ako. At mamaya din guys, i-check natin yung ating apple kung meron bang bunga at also ang ating peras kung hindi ba siya nasasira, no? Kasi naginaw talaga lately kapag gabi at umaga. Going to check the prutas kung hindi ba siya nasira sa ginaw. Pag ginaw-ginaw po talaga. Roxy, come! Come on! Roxy! So, maginaw kasi guys, pang ilang night na. Ay, yung prutas na tinanim ko doon, nasira. Wala, oy, parang nasira man sila, oy. So yun na nga, nung tinitingnan ko yung ibang bunga dyan, may mga spots siya na mga nag-dark ba? May mga nag-dark na mga bunga. So kaya yun, mura siya ning kuyos nga ning itom, no? Umitim. At parang okay lang kasi kaya yun, umitim yung isa dyan. Pero okay lang kasi ang dami namang bunga dito. I-check natin itong sa kabilang puno. Tignan natin ba, isa-isa. Pero parang dito, okay naman. Pero yung parang sa ibabaw na wala masyadong cover, no? Ng mga dahon, parang umiitim po siya. Nagulat po talaga kasi few days ago talaga nag below 30 feel, no? 30 degree pero ang feeling is mga nasa 20 something. So kaya yun guys, napaisip ako sana hindi pa babalik yung ginaw na yun kasi nagbunga na at saka ma-shock yung ating mga prutas. At saka tignan nga natin dito yung isa na tinanim ko, well actually kay Tami ito, no? Pero tinitignan ko muna natin itong ating strawberries, may bunga siya, buti na lang. Pero ang strawberries parang okay naman siya sa maginaw, no? Parang okay siya. So kaya yun. At ang ating pichay, ang bilis tumubo. Pangit yung pichay dito guys kasi ganito yung look, no? Pero yun, ito na yun siya guys, nasisira na talaga. Nag-start na yan guys, I think bunga yan or dahon something. Na namatay guys, oy, namatay. Pero buhay pa yung puno, pero yung mga sumisibol na wala. It's a two groundhog, there's a baby. Oh my goodness. It's a groundhog. Hey, psst, groundhog, go away. Uy. Don't even come back. Tignan din natin yung apple dito. Tignan natin kung may apple rin. Tinatanan na sila mga ano. So yan na nga guys, tignan natin itong apple. Yun palang nakikita kong puting bulak noon. Yun na pala yung bunga, no? Hindi ko man alam na pakatulad pala siya sa piras na magsabay. At saka parang hindi naman ito na siya shock. Parang walang nasisirang bunga. Pero guys, organic po talaga ito. Walang spray. So expect na natin yung bunga is hindi kagandahan katulad ng iba, no? But anyway, so yun. Rox! Roxy! Roxy, hi! Roxy! Hey, baby. Hi, Robux. Hi, baby. Where's Misty? Do you wanna come out here? Do you wanna come out here? Do you wanna come? Come on, let's go. Come on. Wait, chipmunks, oh. Hi, chipmunks. Naglakad-lakad lang ako, guys, pero ang dami kong nakitang damo, so kailangan lang nating linisin kasi ang dami talaga. Snake skin, oh. There's a snake skin here.
What?
It's snake skin.
Skin? Snake?
Snake.
Okay.
My snake skin. So yun na nga, no, ang dami talagang ahas dito sa lugar namin. Pero kaya kailangan talagang mag-ingat. Your foot. Baby. I'm gonna fart.
What? I put this present on the credit.
It's a kind of like Even over there. Umutot, punta doon. Pasensya na kayo guys, yun talaga yung realidad sa buhay, no? Kapag hindi tayo umutot, yung doktor yung magkapera. So kaya yun, nakikita lang niyo sa vlog pero dapat hindi nipakita, no? Pero talagang nakakatawa naman talaga. Yun ang realidad sa buhay. But anyway, andito ako sa likuran ng bahay, nagbisbis ng ating mga halaman. At yun guys, salamat po sa inyong panunood. Kita-kits tayo next time. Bye guys. Ingat po kayong lahat. Bye. It's nice. It's right here when the sun is hitting us. Ipalakad-lakad ko yan. Kasi po, nakaupo lang doon and his foot need the exercise. And that's a good thing to walk on the, barefoot grass. To feel the earth. Feel the earth.
Yeah, but you're not.
Because I'm very arty. At least I'm walking. I can feel the sun. And we have a lot of fruit, love. That's the one you pick, oh?
Yeah.
But I need to find like a cage that will grow up. Not going up in the... How do you call this? Not growing up in the... outside. Okay, let's go. Over here, what's your steps here? Right here, Han. Go in here in the edge.
Why that?
Because.
Oh, why that?
Oh my God, my husband. I really have to tell him to, hala, Han. Your foot is really swollen, Han. I can see the sign where you put your foot. It's like getting deeper, Han. Like, it's like a foam. Naku, ang puti-puti kaya kung bana eh. Puti gid kay ning Amerikano eh. Puti. Pinalakad-lakad ko lang yung kabaryo ninyo, no? Kasi yung kabaryo ninyo is tigasin. Look, she want to play with you, Han. She's happy that you're walking here. She's happy, like, oh, Dada is walking. You cannot just go up there. You can go to the middle. No, keep walking.
Bird bee food again.
Yeah, bird food. I don't even open the gate, the side door.
Oh, you didn't come outside. How'd you lock it? You came out here.
No, I go in that side. You want me to open it?
It's really good.
Okay, I'll go get it. Pakainin na daw niya yung ibon niya. It's nice to walk in the hot concrete, Han.
Yeah, it depends on how hot the concrete is.
This is the time to walk over there in the thing. Okay. Uy, ginoo ko to. Uy! Look at you, how dirty you are now.
You what?
Why you have to do that? Huh? Squirrel eats everything. Come back here, walk in. Birdies, I'm gonna watch over here. You guys cannot eat because I'm here. Where are you? You're watching me. Bumalik. Bumalik. Bumalik si Mr. Cupido. Mr. Cupido. Bumalik. Keep walking. Bumalik. What's your steps, ha? Bumalik si Mr. Cupido. Mga kabaryo. This is your kabaryo. Yung paa niya, his foot is swollen, really crazy. It's nice to walk on earth. Feel the earth. Feel the earth revolve around the sun. This is for your own good, you know. This is you should do when you're off. Look at the tree. The tree is so pretty, Han, right? Seems like it's starting again. That one right there.
Yeah,
I don't know what.
Never recovered properly.
I know what is the problem, but this one is fine. I think it's just normal to have a black spot, huh? It looks so fine.
He's a little droopy.
Droopy?
Yeah.
Because they are sad. They can feel your sadness. Cucumber and string beans. I'll plant here.
Well, anything that grows vine like tomatoes.
Yeah.
Or...
No, not tomato. String beans and cucumbers. I will probably want put tomato here and one tomato there to grow it like this. Right? Especially that grapes tomato, honey, they are kind of viney. The grapes one. How do you... Where's Roxy? She doesn't really like to walk with us. Roxy! Come on. Come join us. Join your dada, oh. Puti kag tiin. Ang puti ng paa.
Up here, I'm good.
Ang puti ng paa ni Tami. Nag-robe siya, guys, kasi he liked to do robe. He likes it. He likes robe, guys. Parang nasa bahay lang, nasa loob ba.